Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chloe, if you don't know who I am. So thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to do just a really easy, like warm, grungy makeup look. This is just using a couple of eyeshadows. It's really easy to do, I promise. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I also wanted to talk a little bit about what I've used to prep my skin. I have really dry skin and I get those really annoying dry patches on my skin. So I've already done my skin prep, but I wanted to show you what I used. So the first thing is I went in with the Ren Clarifying Toner. And I bought this from Mecca Cosmetica. Yeah, so this is just a really nice toner. It's really good for more like dry skin because it doesn't dry your skin out anymore. It has glycolic acid and salicylic, is that how you say it? Salicylic acid, I don't know how to say it, but basically it's all just ingredients to help refine your pores and soften your skin. So went in with that, just using a cotton pad. Then I sprayed with a hydrating mist from Smitten Cosmetics. So I love this spray, it's really lovely. It's nice and refreshing on a hot summer's day too. Then I went in with the Smitten Cosmetics Rejuvenating Serum. You can see I love this. I use this on myself and all of my clients. This serum is amazing. Once that had sunk in a little bit, I then went in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Cream. And this can be used as a primer as well. It's a really nice, rich, hydrating cream, but I think it's like oil free, so it's good for people with oily skin as well. But yeah, I love it. It sinks into your skin. It has vitamin E and C in it. And yeah, so far I'm really liking it. So I've done all that, and then I want to go in with an illuminating primer. So my favourite at the moment is the Mecca Cosmetica brand, their illuminating primer. And I'm focusing mainly on the centre of my face. So that's generally where you're going to need priming. I always like to just sort of do a little tappy massage into the skin. Oh, and on my lips, I've prepped my lips with the Lanolips 101 ointment. This is the best lip product. So let's bring you guys in a little bit closer. So today I'm going to go in with skin first, just to do something a bit different, because I always do eyes first. Now let me just clear some space in front of me. Yeah, so much stuff. First things first is I'm going in with a new foundation that I'm loving at the moment. This is from Becca Cosmetics and it is the Aqua Luminous foundation. It's really super light and runny, but you can build it up to a nice coverage if you prefer a heavier coverage, or if you're like me, you like a lighter coverage. As I've got really dry skin at the moment, I like to use a sponge, a damp sponge. This is the Real Technique sponge. How many times can I say sponge in 1 minute? It does look nice on the skin though. Oh, so good. I love putting on foundation and just seeing all the redness disappear and your skin just evening out. It's so nice. It's like almost therapeutic. Now I'm going to go in with a bit of concealing, and I'm really liking the Bobbi Brown Instant Full Cover Concealer at the moment, and I'm in the colour Cool Sand. So this concealer is quite thick, so I like to just apply a little bit here in the inner corner and use my finger to sort of blend and tap it in. It's a nice brightening concealer. I like it. I'm just going to use it to kind of conceal some other areas of my skin. I'm going to use a slightly lighter concealer. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Very Fair. And just a tiny amount adding, I don't want any in my forehead. This is just to add a little bit more coverage to the foundation. My nose is like my problem area. I just get a bit of redness and I've got a few open pores in that here. So I always like to spend a bit of time really packing in the coverage just in this little section here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a bit of contour. I'm just going to go in with the NYX concealer, the HD concealer in the colour Nutmeg. I wanted to use a cool tone one, but realised I actually don't have a cool tone cream or liquid contour. There you go. I'm just going to use the sponge as well, I think. Just create a bit of shadowing under here. Try and make these cheekbones pop out a bit more. Going to use the tiniest amount underneath my jaw just to create a little bit more shadowing right in here. You can blend it back here to create more shadow. It's a good little trick to do if you want to hide any like a double chin. Do I want to do a nose one? I always fail at nose contour. I'm just going to add the tiniest amount. Blend it in here a bit. Very gently blend. Let's just blend that out with my sponge. I want to go in with a little bit of powder. So I'm going to go in with my ambient lighting palette. Just a little mermaid brush from Beauty Bombs. These brushes are so cute, I love them. And you can use my discount code ChloeJoy10 for 10% off, if you so wish. Kind of just sweeping across the whole lot. And patting it under the eyes. Just want to set under here a little bit. I like this powder, it gives like a nice little glow. I actually wanted to try, where is that? Ah. The models prefer mineral powder. It says it's a soft touch powder. Like, if I can open it, see if it does anything. Is it making me look ethereal? It's supposed to just add like a bit of a glow. Like a glowy setting powder. I don't know if it's making a difference. Just run some down the neck. Just going to use the bronzing shade from the ambient lighting palette and just amp up my contour or my bronzing a little bit. Just warm up the face a little bit up here, just a tiny bit. I don't know, I'm not really into forehead contour that much or bronzing. A little bit across my nose. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero, don't know how to say that, glow palette. And I'm going to use probably Forever Young. I don't know, it's my favorite. I'm going to mix Forever Young and Glow Getter. Just pat that on and amp up the glow. So I'm going to go in now and do my eyes. I'm going to do my blush later. So on my, whoop, focus camera, focus, are you focusing? On my eyes I'm going to use the Limecrime Venus II palette, and I'm going to be using the mustard shade and these two browns, so jam and mud and mustard. Right. I'm taking mustard, just on a big fluffy brush. Oh, I haven't put anything on my eyelids, have I? Ooh! I'm just going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then I will set it with a bit of powder. Actually, maybe I won't even bother with powder. Now we're going to go in with this guy. Does this have a mirror? Oh, it does. Let's use this. So just go in with any mustardy, orangey shade that you have. So I love these colors for really making blue eyes pop. These are the best shades because orange mustards are opposite to blue on the color wheel. So that's the best way to figure out colors that are going to make your own eye color pop. So if you've got like green eyes, you just look on the color wheel and see what's opposite to green. So like purples and stuff. And yeah, so that's a good way to experiment with color. I'm taking it underneath the eyes as well, which I'm going to go with a slightly smaller brush for that. This angled brush here from Gerard Cosmetics, I think. Okay, so as the title says, this is a more of a grungy look, so that's why I'm taking it really low under my eyes. But you know, you don't have to do that. Whatever you're comfortable with, essentially. So for me, I love it when it comes down really far, like that slightly messy look. Smudgy, smudgy, smudgy. We're going to take the colour Jam, which is this orangey shade. So pretty. The same fluffy brush. And I'm just smudging that across my lid. And like into my crease. And I just want to meld all these colours together. And bring it underneath my eyes as well. Into my socket. I should get some like different coloured contacts so then I can show you guys what makeup looks like on different eye colours. A bit more underneath the eyes. Brush away any fallout. Alright, we're going to go in with the colour Mud, so this brown here, and taking my little sort of angular fluffy brush. I'm going to work this on my outer corner and my inner. I don't know, just adding a little bit of dimension. Probably added a bit too much though. We'll blend it out in a second. Whatever's left, bring it underneath the eyes. And there's no eyeliner or anything involved or lashes. Just gonna chuck on, you know, a good couple of coats of mascara. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that Jam right in the center here, so that's kind of disappeared. Smudge it out on the ends here. Now let's give our lashes really good curl. So if you're not using lashes, like false lashes, you need to make sure you curl your lashes because it's going to give them such a good lift and help open up the eyes. So mascara, I'm just going to go in with my Nude by Nature Allure mascara. I feel like we need maybe a tiddly bit more of this Mud, the dark colour, under here. Except I should wait for my lashes to dry, shouldn't I? Whoops. Oh well. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with lips. And I'm using Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick in 1995 because I think that is an appropriate name because we're kind of doing a bit of a grungy 90s messy thing. I don't even know what we're doing. We need just a tiny bit of blush. I know it's not very grungy to have blush on, but I need some colour. Going in with the powder brush from Beauty Bombs. So cute, I love these brushes. And yes. Yeah, I don't even know what blush colour I want to use. Maybe this apricot-y colour, nothing too pink. Just for like a hint of colour on my cheeks. Just, yeah, my face is looking too flat, you know? I'm going to put a teeny tiny bit of highlight in my inner corner. I can't help it. I can't. I'm sorry. I have to. I don't have any clean brushes. Just like a little plop of it. Just like plop right there. I just wanted to put a setting spray on, and I'm quite liking the Becca Cosmetica setting mist. Okay, what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, it would mean the world to me if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, join the glam fam. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.